Alright, first fish on. Was not paying attention. Ooh, feels like a good one. Alright. There we go, guys. First fish of the morning. It's now 10:10. Been here for about an hour before getting this one. He is coming in weird. He just keeps flopping back and forth. I don't know if I've got him. I think I got him. Hook's weird. This is another good sized carp. I'd say he's a double digit. This is a fat one. Oh, he's a good size. Sure. All right. Definitely a double digit. He's got some weight to him. Look at this guy. Yeah, I had a feeling you were hooked weird. He's got a mouth on him. Weight on this guy first. He's a good size. Alright, let's put this one up. Okay. .68. So yep. The net weighs 1 pound 3 ounces. Ooh, I forgot to set my stand up for a picture right now. I'm gonna improvise. better angle it like that. Oh wait, over here. Okay, one more, buddy. Two more. Here we go. Much better. Okay, we'll put him back. That was good. Thank you very much. Little rocket. Awesome. First fish of the day, 11 pounds. All right, second fish of the day. I was right in the middle of a conversation with my mom when this thing went down. Ooh, hey, waking up. Coming right at me. Staying low. Ooh, he's a big guy. All right. Another nice fish for the day. Let's get the net.
Big one.
Yeah.
What is that?
Carp.
Carp?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's about it. You can eat those?
You can. They've got a lot of bones though.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. What do you think? Get them back in?
Yeah.
You get big bass, right?
It takes them a little while. It's probably, I'm guessing, like 10 years old or so to get that big. All right.
What do you use it for bait?
A homemade pack bait.
Oh, okay. That's about it.
Right there. Oh. Yep. Oh shoot. Come on, stay there for just a second. Try to get a weight on him real quick. Damn it. Oh, it's just the other one. Because it's supposed to be the other way. Oh no, I've got a scale that I'm going to use. I just put that out of the way. Nine, so he's about 8.5 pounds.
Wow. 8.5 pounds?
Yep.
Alright, brother.
Have a good one. You as well. Happy New Year. All right. Back in he goes. He is a feisty one. All right, off to the, turn you off for a bit till the next one.